Amazon offers some of the best advertising options on the market, but if you want to seriously up your sales long term, you can't rely solely on Amazon advertising to do all the heavy lifting. You'll want to use different types of sales channels such as Instagram or your own website. Have you ever considered something like Amazon Attribution to keep track of everything all at once? Who can use Amazon Attribution? Should you give this advertising tool a chance? Well, in today's video, I'll answer those questions, and make sure to watch until the end where I share one way that you can reduce your Amazon fees when sending traffic. What is Amazon Attribution? So not that long ago, it was actually impossible to know how well your external traffic and ads were doing and performing. But now you can get the performance data at your fingertips with Amazon Attribution. Now this tool gives you great insight into which of your non-Amazon advertising channels are working best. For example, you can use it to learn how your customers find, research, and buy your products on Amazon, whether that's through your website, through paid search, or on social media. Now with Amazon Attribution, sellers can get access to valuable data, so you'll see things like the click-through rates, total sales, impressions, purchase rates, detailed page views, and your add to cart numbers when they go to your Amazon listings. Amazon Attribution actually can track URLs, so it's kind of like a Google Analytics or Facebook Pixel. You're going to then insert those tracking URLs wherever you have an ad, and those customers, when they click on it, they are going to then go to your store, and Amazon's tracker is going to tell you what they do next, basically after they get to Amazon. Now, how much does a tool like this cost you? The good news about this is Amazon Attribution, as of right now, is totally free. So if you're eligible, you can actually start using it today without spending a penny. Okay, so who is eligible to use Amazon Attribution? Not everyone is. There is one drawback here. Amazon Attribution isn't available to everyone who sells on the platform. If you'd like to use Amazon Attribution for driving traffic to your site, you'll actually have to be brand registered on Amazon. And if you want to learn more about how to get brand registry quickly, make sure to watch my video here where I go through the steps with you. Additionally, Amazon Attribution is only available in certain places. So for instance, in certain countries, the US, Canada, Mexico are just a few of those that are eligible. So make sure that you're eligible in the country that you're selling in as well. Now, what can sellers use Amazon Attribution for? So what can you as a brand be using this for? Now that you can use Amazon Attribution, you're probably wondering, what can you do with this powerhouse tool? There are three main things that you can do with Amazon Attribution. So you can manage, optimize, and plan your campaigns. Managing campaigns with detailed information about every connection. For instance, where do your Amazon customers come from? Before Amazon Attribution, you actually wouldn't have a way of telling that. You may have sold 500 products on Amazon, and maybe you can attribute 300 of those sales to Amazon ads, but you never really knew where the remaining 200 came from. Did they come from your website? Did they come from Meta ads? Did they come from somewhere else? So with Amazon Attribution, now that it's in the picture, you can actually get detailed metrics on the specific source of every customer who visits your product pages, your sales page. Now, optimizing campaigns for savings and more. It's actually nearly impossible to effectively optimize your campaigns if you don't know details about your customers. So Amazon Attribution, you can actually see which platforms are working best for you and which are actually underperforming, so that you can save a lot on ad costs. If you want to dig in even deeper into where your customers are shopping and about them on Amazon, make sure to watch this video here where I share with you how you can view different customer segments inside Seller Central. Plan campaigns with more clarity and foresight. So Amazon Attribution metrics can tell you which types of your ads customers are actually responding to best. You can then use that data to adjust future campaigns for even more impressive performance. So you might be asking, well, why should I drive external traffic to Amazon? It is tempting to just stick with Amazon advertising as your sole advertising source if your ads are working well for you, and hopefully they should be. But if you just do that, you actually could be missing out on a lot of selling opportunities elsewhere. So here's just a few things of why it's smart to focus on external traffic as well. Now, getting traffic you would have missed. Amazon actually loves ad listings that drive, like those product listings that are actually driving external traffic to its platform. Your organic keyword rankings will most likely get a nice boost from that external traffic. Highlighting sales opportunities. You'll actually get an in-depth insight into how customers even find your products outside of Amazon. So which platforms are driving significant sales for you? You're going to want to focus in on those and maybe pull back on the others that are not performing as well. Ranking potential. If you've ever looked at your Amazon bestseller rank and you've kind of felt discouraged or that it's not where it should be, sales velocity would be your answer. That's, you want more sales happening every day, every hour. And Amazon boosts sales ranks when they get a big influx of sales. So external traffic can actually help you climb that bestseller list faster. If you want to learn more about Amazon bestselling rank, make sure to check out this video here and I go more into detail there. Now, you want to also ditching the sponsored stuff. Are you tired of paying for sponsored ads on Amazon? And by using Amazon Attribution, you don't have to spend your entire advertising budget on Amazon. Now, I definitely recommend you should be portioning out a chunk of your advertising budget into Amazon advertising. That is definitely still worth it and definitely worth getting more traffic and more sales for your listings. But also you can then drive traffic to your sales page, to your product page from your website, and that can actually save you a lot of money as well. Now here's a bonus tip for you. Did you know that you can save on Amazon fees when you're sending external traffic to Amazon? Make sure that you're leveraging their referral options. So everyone obviously wants more cash in their pockets with rising costs, things like that. So why not take advantage of Amazon's, they have a brand referral bonus on all eligible sales that are traffic driven from external advertising, from an external source. And it really does depend on your product category, but you can be looking at about a 10% bonus for savings on your FBA fees, which is awesome. Now, must-try features of Amazon Attribution. Amazon Attribution is much more than just a simple tracking tool. It also actually comes with a lot of other features that you may want to check out, so I'll share a few of those. Tags. You can actually create an Amazon Attribution tag for every channel that you're advertising on. This will help you to dive deeper into a lot of your different sales channels, traffic sources, and learn where most of your customers are coming from. Visitor behavior. What do customers do when they do arrive to your sales page? Do they click on a different item? Do they add your product to their cart? Or do they choose a competitor's product instead? With Amazon Attribution, you can actually dig into more of what's happening once that traffic is sent to Amazon. Also, real-time metrics. You'll get access to real-time campaign performance data. You don't have to wait on reports to catch up after your campaign is finished. You can see inside Amazon Attribution what's been happening with your efforts. Now, if you want to continue to up your game this year on Amazon, make sure to check out this next video where you can learn more about Amazon fees and some tips to save on those fees.